It's a late night for sale. I got a piston kit. This is out of my air compressor. The one that blew up. It was working perfectly. Remember about a year ago I rebuilt it with the new like perfect condition. Perfect condition. Little scratches on it, not bad. But used for like 20 minutes of total time. And I'm throwing in this compressor head. That's sitting in my garage. It's not horrible. And you get a gasket. So it's sold. Yeah. That's part number N036518. Cool. Recycle your old parts. Try to. Don't hoard everything like I did for a year. I got a bucket already, over $300 now. Out of that one bucket, I still have stuff I'm pulling out of it.